As Silver Eye Pete and Admiral Waite reach their target on the open sea, the attack begins. Cannons shake the ocean as the Black Pearl and the Bloody Blade attack the Spanish treasure galleon. Thick clouds of smoke engulf the ships, and a fierce battle begins. After fierce resistance, Admiral Waite manages to bring one of the 3 treasure chests aboard the Bloody Blade. But the Spaniards strike back with all their might. Several cannonballs hit the Bloody Blade. The ship is heavily damaged and begins to sink. Together with the captured treasure chest, it disappears into the depths of the Atlantic Ocean. The battle continues. Eventually, Silver Eye Pete succeeds in capturing the Spanish treasure galleon. He secures the 2 remaining treasure chests, one containing 1 billion white pearls and the other containing 100 million black pearls, and loads them aboard the Black Pearl. With the 2 treasure chests aboard, the Black Pearl sets course for Tortuga. But deep on the seabed, the sunken treasure chest still lies, waiting to be recovered one day.